Izindaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukela nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
I vote no, Honourable Deputy Speaker.
Seeing N.
No.
Sekuqalile ukuvota kwamalungu ePhalamende njengoba kuhlalelwa isiphakamiso songabethembu obuholi bukaSomlomo uThoko Didiza ofuna ukuchithwa ngevoti ngamaqembu athile ePhalamende.
I don't know that.
You don't know that, or you're not answering that?
Yes, I don't want to answer that question.
Ithwale kanzima ikhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje njengoba ibefuna ukuthola imininingwane kuVusibuzi Khet Matlala ngobudlelwane bakhe namaphoyisa aseyikhundleni uLisija Senona kanye noShadrack Sibiya. Abantu abane abangabe kudabuka kuleli baphakathi kwamakhulu ezivakashi ezingakatholakali ngemva kokuthi izikhukhula ezinamandla zihlasele emngceleni weNepal neTibet. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lesikhombisa izingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili kwe-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo nakwe-SABC lihayi. Igama lami nginguDawood Phungula kanti ke uza kwethu sitolekela ngolimi lwezimpawu uFortune Madlala. Mbukeli ake singene kuzo ezihamba phambili kusihlwa nje. Sekuqalile ukuvota kwabalungu ePhalamende njengoba kuhlalelwa isiphakamiso songabethembu obuholi bukaSomlomo uThoko Didiza ofuna ukuchithwa ngevoti ngamaqembu athile ePhalamende.
We have lost the battle.
We can't have
you are high on something.
He must withdraw that thing.
We can't have
this is not his house. It's not his
Deputy Speaker, can you protect us, please?
Withdrawal symptoms as he's sitting there.
Speaker, this is not tavern of Julius Malema. Can't insult
drug addicts.
There.
Deputy Speaker, can you take control of the House, please?
Deputy Speaker, you are collapsing this house because you are afraid of PA members.
You are muted, Deputy Speaker. We can't hear you. Just address this delinquent.
Yeah, you are not afraid of you, woman. You have been chased.
I don't blame you, Speaker. I too will be afraid of. Why are you muting us and you're muting that?
Kuleli qophelo mbukele sizoxhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC Bulelani Philip eKapa ukuze sithole ngokuqhubekayo. Bulelani, siyabona la ukuthi amalungu ePhalamende ayaqhubeka nokuvota njengoba ke ulandelela ke lolu daba. Ingabe sezikhona yini inkomba zokuthi uSomlomo wePhalamende uThoko Didiza uzophunyuka kulesi siphakamiso songabethembu obuholi bakhe?
Enibulise kuwe msasazi nakubaphulaphula ekhaya. Njengoba sowuchilo intshayelelo yalenqubo yanamhlanje ke iqale ngengxoxo mpikiswano apho amaqela ahlukeneyo alapha eParlamente ayabonakalisa izimvo zabo ngokuba bayasixhasa na esisiphakamiso okanye bayasikhaba. Kodwa ke into esiyibona leyo yokubana ke ubukhulu becala bamaqela eParlamente athi akahambisani nesisiphakamiso. Amaqela alishumi athi ake akazosivotela isisiphakamiso si-AFF. Kodwa ke kwelinye icala kukho amaqela amathandathu wona athe ayasixhasa esisiphakamiso sokubana ke umama uSomlomo uThoko Didiza makakhutshwe esihlalweni sakhe. Lento ke inkqubo enzekayo ngoku yokubana ke kubalwe onke amalungu waseParlamente ukubana wona aza kuvota njani njengoba ke senitshilo ngaphambili kwingxoxo mpikiswano ubukhulu becala ingxoxo ibigxile kumaqela opolitiko kodwa ngoku ngokwenkqubo yaseParlamente amalungu aseParlamente kufuneka ke azivotele. Lo nkqubo ke mhlawumbi ndiyaqonda mhlawumbi iza kugqitywa kungekudala kodwa ke ngokubona kwethu okwangoku kuyacaca mhlophe ukubana ke akazoba khona amanani oneleyo ukubana ke umama uThoko Didiza akhutshwe esihlalweni. Sasasa
No ngezwakala sibonga kakhulu iyona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uBulelani Philip esibekela bukhoma eseKapa. Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa eWestern Cape uthi liyaqhubeka uphenyo ngesigameko sokudubulana phakathi kwamaphoyisa nomsolwa esenzeke namhlanje ekseni eNice nokushone kuso iphoyisa kanye nomsolwa.
Ibutho lamapolisa elisuka kuNdlunkulu wephondo eliphanda ubundlobongela bunobuzaza belilandela umkhondo malunga nokubulawa kwamalungu we-ANC amathathu eNice nakwiveki ephelileyo. uceba wakwa-Ward 8 nobefudula ingusodolophu u-Aubrey Tsengwa, nowayesakuba nguceba wakwa-Ward 7 uMandla Matiwane, nelungu lombutho weteksi uMandla Tyololo badutyulwe basweleka kwiziganeko ezahlukeneyo. Amapolisa athi amkelwe ngezulu lezandla ukufika kwawo kummandla wamatyotyombe iSievendelaan ngale ntseni.
Apho ke ngelishwa kuye kuba ipolisa lethu lifumana ukwenzakala elibangele ukuthi ke libe liyashiya alikho, kodwa kuloo nto yonke no-suspect uye wabonakala ukuthi ke naye uye wachaneka, akakwazi uba ke angabe ke uba uyaphila, kodwa kule ndlu siye safumana imipu emibini.
Amapolisa athi okwangoku uphando lwabo alukatsho ukuba ezi ziganeko zinxulumene nodushe lwepolitiki. Abatyholwa abathathu kwityala lokubulawa kukaTsengwa baza kubuyela enkundleni ngoMvulo. Kukwavele ukuba umntu wesine ebekuvakala ukuba uzinikezele emapoliseni ayingomrhanelwa, koko ebeyokunikezela ngolwazi emapoliseni. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndinguSiphiwe Wobasi, eNisna.
Ithole kanzima ikhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje njengoba ibefuna ukuthola imininingwane kuVusumuzi Khet Matlala ngobudlelwane bakhe namaphoyisa aseyikhundleni lesitsha Sinona kanye noShadrack Sibiya.
Ayiphumelelanga imizamo yekhomishana kaMadlanga yokuthola kabanzi ngobudlelwane bukaVusumuzi Khet Matlala kanye nezinye ikhulu zomthetho.
I'm choosing the right to remain silent because the same question. So I don't mind you asking about General Sinona, but I will refer to if this is questions which I was not asked by the investigators, it's okay.
Matlala ubese exwayiswa ngokuthi kusazoqhutshekwa noDouble Thindu Sinona, watshelwa nokuthi ukunqaba kwakhe ukuphendula imibuzo ngaphandle kwesisekelo semthethweni kunemphumela yakho.
No, choose not to answer that question.
Was Tato Sinona going to have some ownership share in the apartment?
I don't know that.
You don't know that, or you're not answering that?
Yes, I don't want to answer that question.
Was General Sinona going to have some ownership or beneficial interest in that apartment?
Still, I do not want to answer that question.
Matlala uqinisekise ukuthi kunomuntu akamtshela ukuthi uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya ubelanda kuyimali ngokuthumela usayitsheni ufana inkosi.
Is the worry that you will implicate those people that you told General Mkhwanazi that General Sibiya is collecting money from. And that's your real reason for not wanting to answer this question.
No, that's not the real reason, Commissioner. I already said that I do not know if Mr. Mutomi was giving General Sibiya money.
Matlala usazophinda buyele kukhomishana nakuba ngakamenyezelwa usuku.
Abantu abane abangabokudabuka kuleli baphakathi kwamakhulu ezivakasho kubikwa ukuthi azikatholakali ngemva kokuthi izikhukhula ezinamandla sihlasele emngceleni weNepal neTibet. Imbiko yokuqala iqagule ukuthi ukudileka komhlaba kungenzeka kube imbangela kule ikhukhula, kodwa asekho isiqiniseko esisemthethweni kwamanje. Abezokuvakasha eNepal sebeqinisekisile ukuthi bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amathathu abantu abasanyamalele. Ucekeleke phansi izindlu nengqalazinda kungakapheli ngisho imizuzu etheni kuqala izikhukhula. Bukeli asithi shelele eyitolo siyabuya ke nezinye izindaba ngemva kwekhefu ngayindawo. Bukela sikubingelele siphinde sikwamukele izindabeni uma usanda ngena sikwazisa ukuthi le indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. ikhomishana yezokhetho i-IEC ithi abaholi bendabuko babamba iqhaza elikhulu ukuqinisekisa ukuthi kuba nokhetho olukhululekile nolungachemile. Ikhomishana ibihlangene nenhlangano yabaholi bomdabu iContralisa eKempton Park.
Ikhomishana yezokhetho i-IEC icela abaholi bendabuko ukuba basebenzisane ukulungiselela ukhetho lomasipala.
Traditional leaders are very critical in ensuring community discipline, respect, and dignity, which are all very important for conducting elections.
Lesicelo keswele ezidlebeni ezilalelayo njengoba umengameli weContralisa enxusa abaholi bendabuko ukuba bahlinzeke ngenkundla ngokulingana ekuncintisaneni kubo bonke abancintisanayo.
We want to make a serious call to all our traditional leadership and our people to say there must be no place where it will be declared as a no-go area for a particular organization.
Ngaleke kokuzibophezela umkwena ukhale ngungabikho ukuthembana phakathi komphakathi nosombusazwe abaholayo wacela kuba kubukezwe uhlelo ezokuvota kuleli.
We are concerned and very worried by these so many service delivery protests. And this comes because our people are no more happy. As we have seen from the stats, people are gradually losing confidence in many of the political organizations.
Ikhomishana yezokhetho icele amaqembu ezombusazwe kanye nabangenele ukhetho ngokuzimela ukuba baphothile ukuhambisa uhlu lwamagama labaqokiwe ngaphambi kwehora lesihlanu ngolwesihlanu lolu esiya kuwo mhla zingama-29.
Umholi webhosa uDokotela uMusi Maimane udalule ukuthi iqembu lizongenela ukhetho komasipala abangama-24 ezifundazweni ezinhlanu. Ibhosa izokwethula komqulu wezethembiso zayo zokhetho ngesonto elizayo.
uMaimane uchaze ukhetho oluzayo njengethuba lokwenza izinguquko kumasipala. uMaimane wenabe nangezinhlelo ibhosa enazo ngamalungiselelo okhetho.
This election is nothing more than a referendum on the future of local government. It is South Africa's midterm election. It is on the 4th of November, D-Day for this administration, not only in terms of what it has done, but in answering the question, what is the future of local government going to be? As Build One South Africa, we are building that alternative. We are that alternative that will bring the fourth leg to local government in order to hold it steadily.
Leli qembu lasungula ngo-2022 lizongenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo okokuqala ngqa.
People say, hey, Bossa, you are small. I say, no, we are new. There's a difference. New means you are the future. You are the new alternative. That's why you can contest in 24 local municipalities across 5 provinces.
Ulinde Bossa yethula umqulu wayo wezethembiso zokhetho ngesonto elizayo.
Kanti iqembu iJozini Congress elizongenela ukhetho lohulumeni beyindawo ngolwezi ligaqele komasipala bonke abangaphansi kwesifunda uMkhanyakude KwaZulu-Natal.
uMkhanyakude ngomunye wesifunda ezimpofu kakhulu KwaZulu-Natal kunomasipala abane ngaphansi kwalesi sifunda nezakhamizi ezingaphezu kwa-700,000. Iningi labantu alisebenzi baphila ngezibonelelo zikahulumeni. Sekuyiminyaka eminingi lesifunda sibhekene nenselelo zokulethwa kwezidingo nqangi ekakhulukazi ukushoda okukhulu kwamanzi. Kungalesi sizathu lapho somabhizinisi wendawo futhi ungumuntu osiza umphakathi uSibonelo Mathenjo ethe wasungula iJozini Congress. Njengoba azalelwa futhi wakhulela eJozini, uMathenjo ukholelwa ukuthi leli qembu lizovala igebe kwezombusazwe njengoba amaqembu ezombusazwe sekhona ehlulekile ezindaweni ezithize.
Congress ufonya kwayo ifonywe ngabantu vele abavile bawusebenzela umphakathi, some of amakhansela so umbono ukhandwa abantu abane track record eserviseni kwabantu. So ke ngicabanga ukuthi yilokho usenze because sonke thina siqala Congress sinonembezo ukuthi abantu fanele baservice and sicabanga ukuthi fanele basebenze kanjani, sivele siyabaservice kuyimanje.
Omunye wabantu abaziwayo ujoyine leli qembu ngowayemeya waseJozini ngaphambilini umfana naye Mathe. uMathe wakhishwa esikhundleni sokuba imeya ngomuva kwezinsolo zokuphathwa kabi kwezimali.
Remember ukuthi la eMkhanyakude sinedamu cishe elikhulu kakhulu othiwa iJozini Dam elingaba supply abantu bakwaZulu-Natal ngamanzi but abantu basemkhanya kude abanawo futhi amanzi so lezo zinto lezo-ke sibuka ukuthi-ke sebaxhapheza kakhulu abavoti basemkhanya kude.
Kuzindaba ze-SABC ngu-Ayanda Mhlongo eJozini.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamola uthi izinkampani zaseNingizimu Afrika zineqhaza elibalulekile emnothweni waseBrazil. uLamola ubambe izingxoxo nezikhulu zaseBrazil emhlanganweni ohlanganisa lamazwe omabili obubanjwe ePitoli.
INingizimu Afrika ithi iBrazil inguza kwabo othembekile ekwakheni umhlaba nobulungiswa nentando yabantu. Lamazwe afuna ukukhulisa ukuhwebelana nokubambisana okuqinile kwezomnotho aphinde abambisane ezinhlakeni ezifana neBRICS kanye neG20.
We deeply appreciate Brazil's steadfast support during our tenure at the helm of the G20, as well as your unwavering moral support during this difficult period when our participation has been unilaterally curtailed by the current presidency of the G20.
Brazil liphinde lanxenxa iNingizimu Afrika ngokuthi basebenze ngokubambisana ukuqinisekisa uhwebo olungachimile.
We have negotiated a lot with our partner about the taxes, the tariffs that were imposed on Brazil. They are not legal because all the reasons raised are not real.
We are continuing to monitor and we are looking forward to a report through the SADC observer mission on the elections and also through our mechanisms of the organ troika with regards to the processes and the situation in the elections in Zambia.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton Mackenzie uthi uzibophezele ekutheni lingalibaleki igama lobengumshayisibhakela uZolani Tete namhlanje bekubanjwe inkonzo yakhe yesikhumbuzo kuGombo City.
Uluntu kwezomdlalo wamanqindi kunye nabo bebemthanda uZolani Tete badibene beyokubhiyozela ubomi bakhe. Lo kaTete waziwa ngoba ne-knockout esekhe yakhawuleza kwimbali yalo mdlalo nezisekonds ezili-11 kothuse umzi ukubulawa kwakhe ngokungenalusini.
I intend very clearly to honor him posthumously at our next sports awards because what he has done has never been done. In Belfast, he broke a record by knocking out his opponent in 11 seconds. The importance of this man can never be put into words.
Ukanti neembethi manqindi zithi kusenzima ukwamkela ukushiwa nguLasbon.
Sendizova nje i-calls ngobusuku. Azange ngiphathe kahle tu even nangoku. Yabo uTenomzethi ngamkhumbulela izinto ezinhle bezenza. Encourage. Yabo and bexelela into xa ingeyiyo ayiyo.
Ubhubha esenezicwangciso ezininzi kunye namaphupha besajonge ukuwafezekisa.
Nomzethi, there is something I wish I didn't have to say today. We were not finished. Besingagqibi. That is perhaps one of the most painful things. There were still conversations to have.
Uza kubekwa kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela ngomgqibelo kwibala isisadukashe eMdantsane. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC kuGompo City.
Bukela uma sibuya esitolo sizobe sesikuphathele kumhlahlo wesimo sezulu noThanya Ntshiza.
Nginibingelela babukeli emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ke sibethe sime kanjani zoqaphela nje mbukeli mancane kanje amathuba emvula lendeleke. Nginibingelela babukeli emakhaya phinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ke sibethe sime kanjani zoqophela nje mbukeli mancane ke nje amathuba emvula lendelekile nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kuye njalo nje esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal nakhona ke nje esifundazweni eEastern Cape kanti kusasa so aqophela nje la mathuba emvula lendelekile khona ke nje esifundazweni eMpumalanga kuye njalo nje esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal kepha nje limboze ngamafokezo umabhekse khona ke nje eGqeberha kuye njalo nje eGeorge kanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke sakusihlwa siphuma khona kwa South African Weather Service sime kanje zoqophela nje mbukeli lwamoya kuvunguza amandla nje uqiniseke nje khona ke esifundazweni iWestern Cape kanti futhi nakusasa sesixwayiso nje sifanayo sawo ke nje umoya ovunguza ngamandla khona ke nje eGqeberha kuye njalo nje esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal sakhona ke nalo amoya ongadala wona ke nje umlilo mobhekse khona ke nje eUppington kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusasa ikakhulukazi eMobhekse khona ke nje eGoli Soweto kaNdonga ziyaduma laphuza ngempela uthi ngubonga ke namhlanje ebusuku ngo-8 kanti lisana ukuthi nje lipholeke kusasa ngo-21 kuye njalo nje ePretoria singawulindela nje u-22 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni iLimpopo amazinga okushisa ame kanje lipholeleke eGiyani ngo-22 kanti lisana ukuthi nje lifudumaleke eMosina singawulindela nje u-25 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni eMpumalanga ngasho nje ukuthi liyabanda imbombela ngo-19 sana ukuthi libande njalo ke nakhona ke nje eMelo singawulindela nje u-20 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal eThekwini eClermont kwaMashe eMlazi kuya njalo nje koChesterville singawulindela nje u-23 kanti ke eMgungundlovu ngasho nje siliyashisa ngawo nje u-26 thanda ukuthi nje lipholeke oLundi singawulindela u-24 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni Eastern Cape amazinga okushisa ami kanje liyashisa ke eMthatha ngawo nje u-28 kuye njalo nje eGqeberha singawulindela u-28 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni Western Cape amazinga okushisa ami kanje eGeorge liyashisa ngo-27 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke kwaLodumo singawulindela u-24 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni Northern Cape amazinga okushisa ami kanje liyashisa ke Kimberley ngawo nje u-28 kuye njalo nje eCalvin kepha uMkovetsheni ke nje ngawo u-32 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni Free State amazinga okushisa ami kanje lipholele ke Bethlehem singawulindela nje u-22 kanti ke Bloemfontein sana ukuthi nje lifudumale ngawo u-25 Mobhekse khona ke nje esifundazweni Northwest amazinga okushisa ami kanje liyashisa ke eRustenburg ngo-25 kuye njalo nje eMahikeng singawulindela u-25 sibeka lapho ke simo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina ke ngintombi ngamahla mini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe
Mbukele ngaphambi kokuba siphetha siqale ngezingena manje ukuthi ke sesibhuntshile ke isiphakamiso sokuchitha ngevoti usomlomo uThoko Didiza amalungu eParliament angu 282 avote achitha isiphakamiso. Mbukeli usale kahle.